I suppose one of the biggest has an impact on human health and environment are the dust issues.
It's maybe safety, so with the right products you can increase safety.
Maybe the power they are using is the key questions, I think. Basically everything is diesel powered at the moment and everybody's looking for a solution.
I think the most important urgent problems which need to be addressed in mining today are the permitting for new mines, because now it's quite hard and long to open a new mine. The other thing is that project implementation now, from my point of view, is being done in the opposite way. First, they start building battery plants without opening mines and chemical facilities, but it has to be the other way around.
The challenge is that the factory areas are very big and the distances are big, and there's also a lot of planning going on, constructions, change, new pipelining and stuff.
We need to have permission to do mining. That's the biggest issue in Sweden. And then we burn lime and we have this CO2 problem.
The biggest problem has been about the prices of raw material. The raw material prices has been so volatile. They have been going up and down so much, so it's quite difficult to have longer business because you have to change the prices all the time.
One of the biggest problem is the reach of the radios underground. Underground communication is very necessary to have a efficient underground mining network.
Actually, it's a quite good trend at the moment in mining that they have understood that they need to take digital tools to improve their efficiency.
Well, this is definitely trendy. I mean, a lot of big companies are getting involved in digitalization, AI. I think it's the future of any industry.
It's happening already, I think, since everybody is mapping whatever they are doing, rock blasting or carrying or digging, everybody is documented it already, and systems for that are expanding at the moment. I just today talk about few people who are doing these cloud services to gather all the information together and real-time checking for everything, basically.
Everything goes easily, I would say, if we take the human of the equation, because we don't make any mistakes. The same, but of course it takes time to develop these things when we digitalize things. But when it works much better.
If we have a good technology to change things, I think that we should use this new technology. So more accidents in the mining, not any more dead bodies in the mining if we compare about 100 years ago. Everyone who working in mining, they maybe have a cancer or very bad with the lung and like this. Because we will need all kinds of mining products, what we need, metal and other things. So we need it, so it's better to get them up from the rock like a smooth way.
How are you able to develop sustainability or any efficiencies in the process if you don't have data? That's a place also where the digital twin helps you to start understanding, first mapping where you are now and what is the development project you're working on, whether it's a regulation alignment or anything, then you can make the roadmap.
In Finland, mining and paper are one of the pioneers using laser scanning and the digital twins. But the next step will be that you have the 3D model of a factory. Then you start integrating it with other stuff like IoT, sensor data, ARP systems. So it's a digital model of the real world, plus it gets all kinds of different information. So yeah, that's the next step in my opinion.
You have to decrease the traffic, unnecessary traffic in mines, and digital twin is the tool that you can do that.
AI and machine learning will solve a lot of issues related to maintenance, process control, data movement between different production teams, and also related to tracking the source of materials. For example, in our electric vehicles, we can then track at some point digitally that where the nickel or cobalt or graphite has originally came from. And things are moving forward very fast, I think, on this sector. And in my opinion, in the end, they don't have no choice but to adopt the new technologies.
Yeah, my personal opinion is that the AI is gonna kick ass.